Sonal here.
Yes, hi.
Here.
Hi.
Actually ये सवाल जोई की तरफ से भी था और हम सभी की तरफ से कि आराध्या ने कितनी बार आपके लिपस्टिक लेकर अपने फेस को पेंट किया है?
You know, last time when I'd come to introduce Kajal Majik और किसी ने ये सवाल किया था कि आराध्या मेकअप की तरफ ध्यान देती है, तो मैंने कहा कि बिल्कुल नहीं, बहुत छोटी है. I said, how can you even ask me this question? मगर I'll have to share this with the world. So all this time that I've been working and I've been getting ready for my endorsements, jo bhi ho, whatever my professional work, and it hasn't been film. So it's been mainly endorsements and appearances. So even on my travels, I have been getting ready in my suite. तो मैं दूसरे कमरे में जाके तैयार नहीं होती हूँ, मैं उसी कमरे में where Aradhya will be around, so I'm still there. I'm there to be there with her, for her, attend to her, entertain her, and all of that while I'm getting ready. And at the same time, when I leave, I tell her I'm going to office.
कल ही शमिताभ का ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ और ढेर सारे व्यूज, लाखों व्यूज मिल गए. आपने ट्रेलर देखा, कैसा लगा आपको?
Well, आप लोग तो मुझे accuse करेंगे of being absolutely biased. But, you know, I think it's incredible कि the idea is fascinating and I know more than that has been revealed on the trailer. So I'm very, very excited to see this product, to see this film. I think when Balki and Pa come together, and Pa because he's Pa to me, not because that was their last film together, I think it's great to see talents actually use the opportunity of working together and coming up with a new idea. And as a creative person, as an artist, let alone a family member, I am truly looking forward to this idea on celluloid because I know the idea. I have, Balki has shared it with me right at the very beginning with us, and I'm very, very excited to see this, and I hope you all are too.
मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि जैसे आप मतलब आफ्टर बहुत साल जब भी आप आते हो स्टेज पे ऐसे ही ब्यूटीफुल और अच्छे दिखते हो, तो इसका राज थोड़ा सा हमें बताइए. और
बहुत अच्छी टीम के साथ मैं काम करती हूँ.
और दूसरी बात है कि मेकअप
और मैं बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ जब भी मेरी टीम मेरा मेकअप और हेयर करके मुझे यहाँ आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करते हैं, तो आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू द टीम.
Hi Aishwarya.
Hi.
We all know that you're going to make a comeback this year. So I want to know that how do you plan to manage both the roles, one that of acting?
I want to know too. Honestly.
The mother that you are playing, obviously, a good one. So how will you manage the two?
Like I keep saying, I want to know too. I don't have any reference book. I think every day is an experience for what it is. And I think every working mother will vouch for that. And that bag of, I guess, whatever we go through, call it anticipation, anxiety, excitement, concern, worry, loads of affection. I think, and I'm going to say this out aloud, every working mother will go through her own pangs of guilt, and separation anxiety is more yours than the child's. I can vouch for that. So that's going to be a part of every day for the rest of our life. I don't think it has anything to do with, I mean, I'm sitting right here and, you know, y'all will never be able to read where all the mind is at. So that's, I think, our life. That's the life of every working mother. And every day is a learning curve of us finding a way to what we would call the perfect balance. And dare I say so honestly, I don't think we'd ever be able to find that perfect balance. It's a constant search. But that's life, and we embrace it and we go with the flow.